Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today we're talking about a subject that I get asked a lot, and you might have guessed it already because of the title of this video. How much does pond cleaning cost? Well, the quick and straightforward answer is it depends. But stick with me, I'm going to give you lots of information. And also, if I don't give you the pond cleaning cost questions or the answers that you're looking for, put them in the comment section below and I'll talk to you down there in the comment section. I might even shoot you another video. But if you're looking for specific numbers, it all depends on where you are. If you're looking for pond cleaning costs in the Midlands, then we can give you that figure. The best thing to do is to send me a picture and I can see what you see, and then with the dimensions we can give you specific numbers for your pond cleaning or what service we can provide you and the costs involved in that service. But if you're looking for the sort of like the average cost of pond cleaning, what's the average cost of someone's labour? You know, what's the labour rate in your area? It could be that you're talking a few $100s or a few £100. It could be that, you know, let me give you some numbers here in the Midlands. You know, you could be looking at £225 for a service call or a full drain and clean on a very small pond. It could be that you're talking of a big pond and it could be £2,000 or $2,000 if you're across the pond in America. You know, it's a big subject because it all depends on how big your pond is, how much waste have you got in there, how old is the pond, how long has it been since you did the last drain and clean on the pond. It might be that you don't know all these answers, but certainly giving the pond contractor or the guy cleaning your pond as much information as possible, they can give you an accurate amount. Also, something that is priceless is pond advice. If you've got a pond professional and they come out and do a pond cleaning service, they will give you specific pond advice to your pond, and that is priceless. If you're just looking for the cheapest service, we're certainly not the company for you. If you're looking for the cheapest service, do it yourself. We will give you as much information as you want to clean your pond yourself. That's just going to cost you time, and you might enjoy the process, but it's going to be a lot cheaper for you to do it yourself. But all our clients, they don't want to spend a lot of time and they haven't got the equipment. They don't want to go out and spend thousands of pounds on pond cleaning equipment. You know, we've got thousands and thousands of pounds of pond cleaning equipment because we clean any pond. My company is called Any Pond Limited and we can clean any pond. It depends on what you've got. It depends on how long it would take. So that's the real crux of how much does pond cleaning cost. How long will it take you? It might be that we come in and we basically say that's going to take a couple of hours, so it could be a couple of £100, or it could be it's going to be a couple of days, so it could be a couple of £1,000. It all depends on how long it's going to take. But if you're looking for some tips, then we've got some other videos on how to clean a pond, or it could be that you've got a green pond and you're looking for, you know, how much is it going to cost to clean a green pond? Now, I get it all the time. Mark, we need a pond clean. So they want all of the pond water dumped away to waste and then filled with new, clean, lovely water out of the tap or the hose. That's a big thing. That's going to cost you a lot of time and money and disappointment in the future. It's the worst thing you can do. So watch some of my other videos if you're going to have a go at doing it yourself, but it's all about the time. There's only a few little costs of materials and products and treatments. Water conditioners is one. That's a little bit of money that you're going to spend when you're doing any water change. You need to put in water conditioners. When we do a drain and clean, we put in microorganisms or beneficial bacteria to carry on working after we leave. So we actually, you know, it really goes to town on anything organic that we leave in the pond. Some people obviously charge more and some people charge less, but certainly it's a case of knowing what is the true cost of pond cleaning. You know, let's say for instance that someone came in to clean your pond and something went wrong. They hadn't got the right equipment, the fish were jumping out all over the place and your fish died. What's the true cost of, you know, a fish dying? You know, put it in the hands. I wouldn't, if it was me and I hadn't cleaned a pond before, I wouldn't practice in your garden. You know, I've got 30 years experience. I've been cleaning ponds for a long time, and I know what costs, and I know the disappointment that you can do if you do it wrong, because I get called. I've cleaned the pond a couple of weeks ago and all my fish have died. It's not good. The cost is tremendous on aquatic life, on everything. So before I get onto another subject, this video has been about how much is pond cleaning. If you've got any questions, like I said before, put them in the comment section below and I'll gladly answer them there. Hope you've got some information and I hope you've got some insight of how much pond cleaning costs. If not, then I'll speak to you in the next video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. And before I forget, the winner of last week's comment was Yvonne, and she said dig it out and bring it to my garden, because I asked for suggestions what I should do with this pond out the front of my house. See you in the next video, guys.